when something works, he will stick to that. And so we're seeing Tenorio and for Coach Luigi Trillo with Banquero, Halam, and Newsome playing all together.
Tenorio. Now they'll go inside. C-Stan ties things up.
As well. In Coach Richard's words, we need to anticipate that Meralco will come in more physical in this game, so we cannot.
So the struggles continue here for Newsome.
Tenorio with a floater. We talked about the importance of getting off to a very good start in Banquero.
To defend against Eli Tenorio.
What a move there from Stanley Pringle. Almazan can hit that and does.
He was the focal point of the Meralco offense.
Bates tries to go inside, gets two. Inside, chop it, big slam.
Wow.
We gotta see that again in a bit, but look at this.
Because he doesn't need the minutes, but every time you call his name, he produces.
Chop it, will misfire. Baby hook works. So on the other end,
And
has come in.
Coach Tim Conas is using Ku here as a stretch four. Ginebra on the floor.
That's gonna drop there for C-Stan.
With four good outside shooters here.
Banquero inside with a floater. Works. Chris now with 5 points in the contest. Scoring. It's close to launching. Here is Quinto. Falling away. Money. Puts up a long one. Long rebound. It goes over to Maverick.
It's his first less of the game.
Maverick will overshoot. Big slam there from Japet. Point advantage enjoyed. Here come the Bolts. Second serving. Works there for Hot.
You need to make them pay by getting a lot of offensive rebounds and putbacks. Nice play though.
Karam, long two. Money. Newsome left wide open. Bang! Banquero! Wow, what? Christian will go up high. Scotty Thompson with a long two. It. Puts up a quick one and hits. Shot clock is now down to 6. Does Banquero real? Now they'll set up in the half court. Banquero will launch and hit. There is Bates once again.
That's what he does.
And that is going to give them another. Just held his own here against C-Stan. Falling away, Stan Hardingers. Thompson looking for space. Pinto for three. Now they go to Karam. Karam with a one-handed floater works. And he promptly goes straight to the basket and gets fouled. Karam inside the lane.
Wow.
Blows up a floater. Right down. Everybody focus on the PBA playoffs though. Maliksi scores. Nice pocket pass. Hodge gets away. We go to the wing. Banquero finds Hodge. Hodge gets away. And a challenge inside. Hodge with 6 straight points.
Major factor today.
Pringle hits a 3. Banquero will come up short. C-Stan all by his lonesome. That's too easy. Hanisi in the ball game. Maverick with the layup. That'll stay down. The Bolts looking for another quality shot. Malixi's gonna get away here. Up and under move works.
By Alain.
Ku kicks it out. Maverick. C-Stan from 15. Thompson blows the layup. Banquero gets away. Stan Hardinger, another jumper. Quinto with a jumper. Down. It's here with Maverick. He keeps it, goes all the way. C-Stan's gonna lose it. Maverick picks it up and puts it. They can't get the angle of the pass. Now they do. To the wrong individual. Morel will give it up. Clock winding down. That's a... C-Stan might have to put this one up. That's a perfect pass. Hodge. Check that, that's Newsom there.
For Meralco.
Tenorio with a floater. Hodge with the offensive rebound. Quinto for three. Bang!
Okay, Meralco shooters better. Gentlemen, back to you.
Once again, they give up an offensive rebound. He overshoots. Maverick for three. Bang! Critical game number 5. C-Stan will bring it closer from 14 feet. Pringle to Stan Hardinger. Hits another.
Hardinger, that is the reason why he is there, but he is playing with 5 fouls. Oh!
Violation. Let go. Hodge gets away for 2 inside. Stan Hardinger forcing the issue. Japet with the offensive rebound. Number 5. Pringle, extra pass. Thompson for 3.
Carter, Scotty, it's nothing but net.
And that's why he's the MVP. Gin Kings. From 14 feet. Final score brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA.